Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Varo credit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in varomoney.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner from the main homepage of Varo. Doing this will take you to the login page for Varo, where you will need to enter your login credentials. Enter your email address or your phone number in the first text box and then enter your correct password for your Varo Money online account. After filling in both of the correct credentials, click on Login, and once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on the credit card section in order to log into your credit card account. So that is how you should be able to log into your Varo credit card online. You must first log into your online banking account and you will be good to go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.